Well, I had a upper plate, I guess an upper denture, and I want to replace it, and I want to have a more natural feel, and I in turn looked into your particular office, and I was pleased once I got here, and for the consultation went, and so I in turn just went on and followed the process. I was just speaking with Carlos a second ago just to let him know that I'm really impressed and appreciative of the staff. Day in, day out, in all of my interactions on my multiple visits, I've had nothing but positive, upbeat interactions with, from the front desk all the way into the doctor interactions. So it has been great, and everyone has, I mean, this is one of the best environments to work in. But even for a patient, it's always welcoming to be able to come and interact, and everybody has pleasantness throughout your entire time that you're actually interfacing with them. Well, for one thing, it allows me to not have to worry about the issues that you have with a denture, and the security and the confidence that I can eat just about anything I want and not have to worry about, say, a slippage, a fall, things that you deal with when you deal with a denture.